Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. And my channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. What I'm trying to do with this video is to tell you a bit about how to use Instagram's chat sticker. With this new feature of Instagram sticker, the join chat sticker that you will use in your Instagram stories will be a link to your direct message box. If you wish, you will be able to participate in one-on-one chat or a group conversation that is an extension of the connection. While you can readily send a message to anyone you want on Instagram, a join chat sticker that you'll see in the story of the person you write will excite you. But keep calm, because the message you send can still go to the trash with the turn back button. It's getting even easier to connect with your friends on the gram. Instagram has introduced a new chat sticker that lets users create group DM conversations within stories. The announcement of the feature ironically came on Twitter. Much like quizzes and question boxes that were added in the last year, the latest sticker is another stories feature that encourages your friends and followers to interact with your post. Labeled chat, the sticker provides a vehicle for gauging interest in certain topics among your followers. For example, if you are following the Women's World Cup and want to share relevant memes and match excitement with fellow fans, you could post the chat sticker to your story with a related image, and of course asking your followers to join in on a conversation. The chat sticker also works for arranging social outings, sharing thoughts on cult TV shows, or starting that book club you always said you would. Instagram messaging is already one of the app's popular features, but this new sticker may prove more engaging for users while better connecting to Instagram's other core platform capabilities. And it seems Instagram is slowly rolling out a new feature to its mobile users. So when you are able to access, you'll want to know what to do with it. And here's how Instagram's chat sticker works. You can do this by taking a photo within stories, or by uploading one from your phone's camera roll, and the image should probably have something to do with the chat you set out to create, but to each their own. And then in the upper right corner of the Instagram stories, you'll see the sticker icon to the left of the pencil, and click it and a menu of stickers should appear. A sticker that says chat with a blue messaging icon is what you're looking for. When you select it, it should pop up on top of your image and give you the option to name the chat. When you're satisfied, add your post to your story. And when your friends and followers view your story, they can click on the Join Chat sticker to request an invitation to the DM conversation. If you swipe up on your story where you see who viewed it, you'll now see a list of users who requested to join the chat and start a DM group. While still in stories, you can select as many, if not all, of the users who sent requests and start a brand new chat with them. It's really that easy. So, I hope it was helpful for you. And the other thing that I'm going to talk about, again, it's about chat sticker, but later.com shared some ways to strategically use the Instagram Stories chat sticker, so I want to share these with you. Instagram Stories chat sticker is made for building a stronger community and having thoughtful conversations on Instagram with your followers. But you should be strategic about it. While it's nice to have a place to catch up, and if you are a brand or business, you need to start planning and posting with the chat sticker with the intent to grow your brand and community. And there are 5 strategic ways to use the Instagram Stories chat sticker. First one is to use the Instagram Stories chat sticker to invite local customers to an IRL event. Hosting a special in-store event, conference, or meetup, you can use the Instagram Stories chat sticker to bring the community together and answer burning questions about the event. For example, if you are a Vancouver-based yoga company opening a new studio in Gastown, you can invite your Gastown-based followers to join the chat, and they can then ask any questions they might have about the new launch, like when it's going to open, studio pricings, if they should bring a yoga mat, and much more. And you can see an example on the picture now. And using the Instagram Stories chat sticker in this way means you can bring a community together, and one that not only has similar interests because they enjoy following your brand, but also based on their location. Without pushing a product or service, you create a mini community around this one-off brand event or specific location. And don't forget to introduce yourself in the chat. It's nice for your followers to know that they are talking to a real human behind the brand, and it makes it feel more like a group conversation and less like a chatbot. Okay, so the other way is to host a focus group with Instagram Stories chat sticker for customer feedback and insights. So, looking for some honest feedback and insights on a new product, the chat sticker is here to help. By cherry picking who can join your chat, you can select up to 31 people or keep it ultra small with just 3 to 7 followers for their insights and help crowdsource ideas. And this type of conversation will bring in more qualitative insights than a post sticker, and you can literally hear it from the horse's mouth when it comes to gathering product feedback or reviews. For example, if you are a spa looking to launch a new package specifically for first-time moms to help them rest, restore, and sleep better, you might want to host a chat so you can talk to new moms about their needs. You could learn everything from where they have body aches and pains, how to tailor the spa treatment, and even what times to book an appointment for them to better suit their sleep patterns. And with the intention to reach out to only a specific target group of your followers, you can be really specific with your questions and conversation topics. Plus, you'll also be able to view their profile, if public of course, before adding them to the chat to see if they are a good fit for your focus group. And third one is to share a promo code or exclusive information with the Instagram Stories chat sticker. Want to grab your followers' attention and convert them into shoppers? Using the Instagram Stories chat sticker, you can invite followers to be part of an exclusive chat where you'll make an announcement and share a shopping promo code. Not only will this build a sense of exclusivity, but it's a way to give back to your most engaged users. You may want to create special limits on the promo code, like it can only be used once per customer or within a certain time frame, but giving your followers an incentive to shop while also sharing something a little bit secret with a selective fee can really go a long way in converting your followers into shoppers. And add a time limit to join your chat. For example, you could say something like, "We're opening an Instagram Stories chat for the next 15 minutes. Join now to be in with a chance to get an exclusive promo code." And not only will this give your stories a sense of urgency and prompt action from your followers, but it acts like a live event that you can host for your online right now users. Similarly, you can consider sharing a free resource with your chat group. This is a great way to share real-time advice for your followers, and it shows you are there listening to their needs and wants, as well as being open to hosting a conversation with them. And fourth one is to target an ultra niche group of users with the Instagram Stories chat sticker and close friends list. A great way to reach out to a specific set of followers is to invite them to chat with a close friends list. The close friends feature for Instagram stories will allow you to handpick a group of friends or followers to share private Instagram stories posts with. And only the people in your close friends list will see your story, and it will be hidden from all your other followers. If you share an Instagram story with a chat sticker invite to your close friends list, only those select few will have the option to join. For example, you may want to get started with influencer marketing for your brand. So if you wanted to reach out 10 to 15 influencers that follow you and invite them to be a part of your ambassador program, you can send them a chat sticker invite with a close friends story and invite them to chat where you'll share more on the program. From the chat, you can send them to an online form or survey to express their interest. You can also ask the influencers that are part of your chat to invite other influencers they know that might be interested in the ambassador program too. But you as the chat admin will be able to approve them before they join the group chat. And 5. Create mini communities with your IRL clients with the Instagram Stories chat sticker. If you are in a business where you're contacting your clients regularly both in real life or online, like a personal trainer, life coach, or salon owner, or many more, you can create a mini community with your clients that have things in common. For example, if you're a PT with a few clients that are training for a special event like a marathon, you can get all your clients together and host an Instagram Stories chat about the event. Not only is this a great way to share valuable information and knowledge with your clients via Instagram, but you're setting up an online opportunity for your clients to meet each other. You know they have similar interests and in this case goals, so you can bet that they'll have tons in common and might even meet up IRL after the chat. Remember, at the core of everything, Instagram is a social network, so finding ways to be more social online and building a community spirit around your brand is important if you want to grow. And I hope it's helpful for you. Thanks for watching. And the quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. I'll talk to you all very soon.